Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, this is Femida Channa, lecturer zoology. Today I am going to deliver a lecture about animal cells, its cell theory and its basic units. Now let's move to start today's lecture. Dear students, now let's start a lecture. Animal cell or cell. Cell is basic unit of life. What do you mean by basic unit of life? It means it's a structural and a functional unit of life. It means cell perform a different function of life and they are make a different structure of the body because group of similar cells make a tissue. Therefore, it is a structural and a functional unit of life. There are about 60 trillion cells in an adult human being and a newly born baby consists of 2 trillion cells. The substance which make up cells are collectively known as protoplasm, and that protoplasm include water, electrolytes, protein, carbohydrates, etc. Cell is surrounded by a living structure that is known as cell membrane, and that cell membrane consists of inside the cell organelles, and cell organelles are microscopic functioning unit of cell. Why they are microscopic units? Because all organelles watch or observe through the microscope, not a naked eye. Therefore, these are microscopic unit. Why they are functioning unit? Because each organelle have a specific function. Therefore, these are the functioning unit of cell. They are also known as subcellular structure of cell. Why? Because they are smaller than the cell. Therefore, they are the subcellular structure of cell. Let's move to understand the animal cell structure and figure and each part of animal cell. Briefly understand here and afterwards describe very well about the detail of animal structure, cell membrane, organelles also. Now start from a cell membrane. This one is a cell membrane that is outer covering of animal cell. Now this showing this one that is a cytoplasm. They are inner side inside the cell membrane present. Now that is the third part. This is known as nucleus, and the all are the nuclear parts. That one is a nucleolus. These are nuclear pores, and this one is a nuclear membrane or nuclear envelope of nucleus. Now let's move to organelles of cell. This one is a mitochondria. Mitochondria is a powerhouse cell because they help in energy oxidation. These are the endoplasmic reticulum. Which endoplasmic reticulum? Smooth. Why? Because they are smooth, they haven't any granules and they help in a lipid synthesis. Endoplasmic reticulum help in the transportation of material also. These are Golgi apparatus or Golgi bodies. They help in a cell secretion. These are centrioles and they help in a cell division. These are lysosome. These are suicide sacs because they help in a suicide or autophagy of cell. These are rough endoplasmic reticulum. Why? Because on which granules are showing in this figure, and they rough endoplasmic reticulum in making synthesis of protein. These are ribosomes and they are known as protein factory. Why? Because they help in synthesis of protein. They all about the cell or animal cell structure. I hope you understand very well in a brief about the structures of cell. Now let's move different between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cell, they haven't membrane bounded organelles present like a mitochondria and lysosomes. In eukaryotic cells, membrane bound organelles are present such as a mitochondria, lysosome and etc. Prokaryotic cells, cell wall contain peptide glycan. In eukaryotic cell wall is made up of cellulose like plant cell. In prokaryotic cell, DNA or RNA is present. In eukaryotic cell, the DNA RNA both are present. In prokaryotic cell, no mitosis division occurs, but in eukaryotic cell, yes, mitotic division occurs or watch and observe, and mitosis division takes place in somatic cell of eukaryotic cell. In prokaryotic, which type of division observed? A mitosis. Now DNA cannot associate with
histone protein in a prokaryotic cell, but in a eukaryotic cell, DNA associate with the histone protein, and that histone protein is nucleoprotein that is present in chromosome. Prokaryotic cells have a chromosomes only in a one number, but in a eukaryotic cell, chromosomes are more than one. Prokaryotic cell example is bacteria, cyanobacteria, blue green algae, etc. Eukaryotic cell example is main plant, fungi, etc. Now started cell theory in 1838. Sheldon, German botanist. 1839 T. Suchborn, German zoologist. 1855 Virchow, German pathologist, postulates cell theory, which states that all organisms are composed of one or more cells. It means no one organism or no one life is exist without organism, because all organism consist of cells. Other point is the cell is a structural and a functional unit of life. In short, cell is a basic unit of life. Third point is that cell is arising from only by the division of pre-existing cell. It means cell arise from its old cells or their ancestor cells. Now eukaryotic cell, its main components studied here now. Main components of eukaryotic cell, animal cell, are cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus. Cell wall is absent in animal cell, and protozoan. Let's start from cell membrane. Cell membrane that bound and protect cytoplasm or outer covering of cell that isolate individual cell from its neighbor is called cell membrane. In short, outer covering of cell that is known as cell membrane. It is a dynamic structure, semi-permeable, made up of lipid and a protein. Here they showing the structure of cell membrane, and this one is a hydrophilic region, because hydro means water, philic means loving. It means this region are love to water and transport water through it. That one, the hydrophobic region, water fearing or water headed, because word hydro means water, phobic means headed. It means through which water molecules cannot enter or transport. This is structure of cell membrane. Composition of cell membrane. It's made up of lipid bilayer, protein, carbohydrates. Lipid bilayer of cell membrane. It's the basic structure of cell membrane. It is composed of phospholipid and a cholesterol. They are hydrophobic. Fat-soluble protein is directed towards center of lipid. They are hydrophilic. Water-soluble proteins are directed towards the outer surface of lipid bilayer. Protein of cell membrane. These are mostly glycoprotein, spread in a lipid bilayer. There are two types of protein present in the cell membrane. Integral proteins are peripheral protein. Integral proteins, these cross the whole thickness of lipid bilayer. Peripheral proteins, these are attached to inside or outside of lipid bilayer. Carbohydrate of cell membrane. They occur in a combination with protein and a lipid forming glycoprotein and glycolipids. Structure of cell membrane. Trilaminar model. Cell membrane is a lipid bilayer sandwiched between two monomolecule layer of protein. Fluke mosaic model. Cell membrane is a lipid bilayer in which protein molecules are partially embedded, like floating iceberg in a lipid sea. Function of cell membrane in a brief: movement of substance across membrane. It means they help in a transportation of material, maintain cell potential, they help in a cell movement, cell recognition, they help in a receptors for chemical and drugs, they help in a chemical reactions of enzymes. Now cytoplasm and its parts. Ectoplasm or cortex is a semi-solid being cell membrane. It consists of microtubules. Endoplasm or medulla of cytoplasm. It is a liquefied between ectoplasm and a nuclear membrane. It consists organelles. Composition of cytoplasm is made up of three parts: cytosol, inclusion, cell organelles. What is cytosol? It is a clear fluid portion of cytoplasm that is known as cytosol. Inclusion. These are lifeless accumulations of metabolites of cell cytoplasm like stored food, pigments, etc. Cell organelles. These are small living structure within cell specialized to perform a specific function that is known as cell organelle, or organelles are subcellular structures. In short, these are microscopic functioning unit of cell that is known as cell organelles. Number and types of these organelles varies with the cell type and their function. Two types of cell organelles on the basis of presence of membrane: membrane bound organelles, non-membrane bound organelles. Membrane bound organelles includes endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, Golgi complex, lysosome, microbodies, nucleus. They all are membrane bound organelles. Non-membrane bound organelles are ribosomes, centrioles, vacuoles. Now start in membrane bound organelles from endoplasmic reticulum. It is an interconnecting network of membranous tubules, vesicles, and flatted sacs that spread throughout cytoplasm that is known as endoplasmic reticulum. In short, other definition of endoplasmic reticulum are: these are extension, tubular extension from cell membrane to nuclear membrane spread. They help in transportation of material. Endoplasmic reticulum is also known as detoxification center of cell. Which is the detoxification center of the body? Liver. And in cell, detoxification center is endoplasmic reticulum. Now there are three types of endoplasmic reticulum: rough endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. They both are the main basic types. And third type is sarcoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, that is also known as granular endoplasmic reticulum. Why is known as granular endoplasmic reticulum? Said because they have granules are present. They are observed or watched in this figure. These are the granules which are present on it, and these are ribosomes granules are present. Therefore, they are granulated structure. Therefore, is known as rough endoplasmic reticulum or what? Granular endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, they are observed in a salivary glands and pancreatic cell. Why they are mostly found in the both? Because pancreatic cells produce proteinaceous hormones. Therefore, they are present in the pancreatic cells. Function of that endoplasmic reticulum are: synthesize protein because of presence of ribosomes attached with these rough endoplasmic reticulum. Therefore, they are help in protein synthesis because ribosomes are protein factory. Now, smooth endoplasmic reticulum is known as non-granulated endoplasmic reticulum because they haven't granules or haven't ribosomes on attached with them. Therefore, these are smooth in structure. Endoplasmic reticulum not coated with ribosomes. Therefore, these are smooth endoplasmic reticulum. They are dominantly present in adipose tissue, intestinal tissues, liver tissue, etc. It causes lipid biosynthesis, steroid hormone synthesis, and liver cause detoxification of toxic drugs, hormones, etc. Sarcoplasmic reticulum. Before going to the sarcoplasmic reticulum, showing here the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Now the sarcoplasmic reticulum. These are endoplasmic reticulum present in a smooth and striated muscles called sarcoplasm reticulum. Store and pump calcium ion during movement. Now start mitochondria. The mitochondria term is given by Altman. They are double membranous self-replicative organelle that synthesize high energy compound. That compound is ATP adenine trimonophosphate. ATP is currency of cell because why it is a currency of cell? Because ATP provide energy to cell. Therefore, it is a currency of cell. Here mitochondria is watch Now it is a sausage shape. Here it is a shape is a sausage shape. Concentrated at the area of energy used is size about 10 micrometer length. It consists its own DNA and RNA, enzyme and ribosomes. Their structure, there are two lipid bilayer membrane. Their first layer, this is the outer membrane, and this is the inner folded membrane. Therefore, this is a bilayer membrane organelle. The inner membrane form a fold called what? This folded part is known as cristae, and that part consists of oxidative enzyme like phosphorylation or respiratory chain enzymes. They help in oxidation. Outer membrane consists enzyme for oxidation reaction, and matrix consists enzyme of citric acid cycle. Function of mitochondria: they help synthesis of ATP, calcium storage, heat production, cell specific aging. They all are the functions of mitochondria.
Dear students, I hope you understand today's lecture. In the next lecture, continue the next part of animal cell. Please share your feedback or comments. Thanks to all watching this video. Allah Hafiz.